Guys, Brian back with the Singularity Net AGIX token update here. Can see but it's a little bit slow moving today, up 1.4% after Bitcoin broke out. This thing is forming a falling wedge, okay, which is one of my more favorite patterns, okay, as far as chances of it breaking to the upside are much more than it breaking down to the downside, all right? You're looking 70% of the time, roughly, these things break to the upside, so that's great to see. I love these patterns. They work out more times than not, so we'll take a look at some technicals here and see if this is pointing towards a breakout or not. What I want to go through here, a couple things first. And if I could ask you before I forget, please hit the subscribe button. I'd appreciate that so much, and the like button. And gonna do a giveaway here at the end of the month. Again, we gave away 188 last month, and not sure, we might just do the Cardano again this month. But all you gotta do to enter is be a subscriber. But if you come over here to Singularity Net's website, if any of you guys are interested in staking your AGIX, you can come over here right to singularitynet.io and go right on there and stake right through them. Okay, I don't know if you're familiar with staking, but you earn free tokens when you stake your Singularity. You can check out their APYs and stuff there on the site. But here's the crypto bubbles for the day. Tons of green out there. Bitcoin kind of unexpectedly broke out, and it's obviously driven the market up. That's why I talk about it all the time. You need Bitcoin breaking out for everything else to break out. Now on the hourly, a lot of these RSIs are getting towards the top. You got some stuff pulling back and retesting levels that it has broken out from now as support. All right, so a lot of overextended on the hourlies and the 4 hours, but for the daily, things are looking great. Here's your crypto fear and greed index. Market cap, tons of volume coming in, 56%, $60 billion over 24 hours. So been talking about waiting for that big spike in volume. Bitcoin dominance is up 2%. The market cap's up 6.6% to 1.278 trillion. The crypto fear and greed indicators at 56. We were at a 53 yesterday. Here's your top 100 from CoinMarketCap. Go down through here. A lot of them on the right hand side are stable coins, okay? Now if we look down here, Singularity Net, we're down at the bottom here, 6.25%, okay? Now let's go back here to these charts. All right, we're going to cover this here in a second. I want to show you Bitcoin real quick. That's the one that leads the market, so we got to check it out. But it has done an SR flip format. This was resistance or support turned into resistance. It has now flipped that back. It flipped it back into support up here, lost it. Now it's regained it, and I expect it to come down and retest that 28,400 level. The next resistance for it is up at 30,500. So keep an eye on them levels for Bitcoin. The Bitcoin dominance, if we put this on the weekly, it has been in this channel for 2 years now, since May of 2021. It's threatening to break out of it, okay? And that means Bitcoin would take more of the market share. And on the weekly, that RSI is way overextended on the weekly. But on the daily, if I flip it over here, show you the daily, it's just turned up. So looks like we might get that breakout of that. That we still have a falling DXY, a dollar. The dollar, it's down 0.33% for the day. We're looking for it to break that 100.7 and come down here in the 90s. As far as the daily RSI goes, you can see that thing is right at the top there. Okay, so it looks like it's about to roll over. And let's go back to Singularity Net here. Get back here, get the chart. Okay, that's the one I want. Okay, now if you look down at the bottom, our daily RSI is reset on this thing, okay? We pull this up a little bit so we got it a little bit bigger. And the more exciting one is the one right here. Look at that weekly. The weekly is coming down and almost reset. It hasn't been down there since May of last year. It hasn't been down there for a year. Okay, we haven't been that low on the weekly, so that's the one we want to see reset. Okay, I keep talking. This could be forming out right here. This is on the weekly. 4, and 5. Okay, if we get that weekly reset, that could absolutely end up playing out. Okay, I'm not saying that's what that is, but sure, forming out that way. Okay, so that would be your 3 wave would be your longest, your 4th would be your biggest pullback. We have not come down low enough to take out this, if I put these lines exactly where they should be. Okay, we've come down to this low here, but we haven't taken out, this high here yet. We haven't touched it for that 4th wave pullback. So absolutely that could be in play. And the way this thing is forming up, if we do get the breakout of this wedge, that would put us up. Let's get a measurement on this. Okay, that breakout would put us up at roughly the 54-cent area, maybe up at that 55 cents. Okay, so keeping our fingers crossed here for that. And I mean, right now the levels to watch out for, we're trying to break that 0.36, call it 37 cents. Okay, we need to break the 37 cents, and we need to hold the 33 cents as support. Okay, so watch for the break of that 37 cents, and we definitely need to hold the 33-cent region. Okay, all right, thank you guys. Please hit the like and subscribe button. I would appreciate that so very much, and I hope you all have a great day. Thank you.